Welcome to Proto Parts. Today we're diving into smart plant moisture monitoring. I've got my ESP here on a breadboard. You could even add a small screen or hook it up to Home Assistant if you want a bigger project. And of course, all the components you see are available from protoparts.co.za. Now we're wiring up the moisture sensor. This little device lets us measure how much water is in the soil. With a bit of programming, we can tell whether the plant needs more water or even some extra sunlight if it's too wet. By the way, this is the Capacitive Soil Moisture Sensor version 1.2. It's more durable, doesn't corrode, and gives stable readings over time. And yes, when your soil is rock hard, sometimes you just have to grab a pair of scissors and dig in. Not recommended, but hey, it works. Here I'm wiring the sensor to the ESP, 5 volts, ground and signal into pin 34. Important note, pins like 5 and 8 won't work because they're not on the ESP32's ADC channel. If you want the full pinout of ADC supported legs plus demo code, check our website at protoparts.co.za. Now for the programming, since we've wired into pin 34, that's the pin we use in the code. We also define 2 values, raw dry and raw wet. These are calibration numbers you can change depending on your soil. They tell the ESP what counts as dry and what counts as wet. Once that's set, we upload the sketch to the ESP, and success! The board is ready to read our soil moisture. Let's add some water to the plant. Watch the serial monitor. The readings change immediately as the soil absorbs moisture. Now I'll pull the sensor out. Notice it still says healthy. That's because the sensor is still damp. If I dried it with a cloth, it would return to dry, but for this demo, we'll leave it wet. And when we soak the soil again, the serial monitor shows too much water and needs sunlight. Simple, smart, and effective. All the parts and the full guide are available at protoparts.co.za. Thanks for watching.